Well, a return to the hot weather this weekend, and we could also see a bit of rain. Today, a lovely one to be outdoors, a top of 25.6 degrees. We got down to 18.3 at 5 this morning, and right now in Perth it's 21.7 and the wind is south-southwesterly at 20 kilometres an hour. A surface trough developing near our coastline is the reason for our temperature spike tomorrow. Expect it to deepen further on Sunday before moving east on Monday. Around the state, and temperatures will be red hot in the Kimberley. There's also the possibility of storms. Temperatures also very warm in our lower west and parts of our southwest. Across the country tomorrow, parts of the southeast will continue to swelter thanks to a trough tapping into heat across the centre. The heat will ease in Melbourne tomorrow with a top of 25 and some relief in Adelaide as well after the sweltering conditions they've had, a top of 31 tomorrow. On the water, winds south to southeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, decreasing in the morning, then becoming south to southwesterly by midday. Seas to 1.5 metres and a big swell tomorrow up to 4.5 metres. So for Saturday, we're in for a hot and sunny day tomorrow, getting up to 36 degrees. A touch warmer on Sunday and some early morning storms will make things a little humid. Remaining hot for Monday, then we'll see temperatures drop for the rest of next week. And that's 7 News for this Friday. Enjoy your weekend. I'll have updates later. Now here's Tina with Today Tonight.